Welcome to this short clip on the Import from Excel feature in SAP Business One version 9.3. In the Import from Excel function, you can now import journal entries. You can also import serial and batch numbers from Excel from within a transaction. You have additional authorizations to restrict this functionality to specific users. You can also import a single journal entry directly from within the journal entry form. Finally, you can import GL and BP opening balances from Excel. Let us have a quick look at this feature in SAP Business One. Please note that the examples herein use text files to illustrate the feature. Equally, you could use the original Excel file. Let us start with scenario 1, a single journal entry. Open the journal entry screen. You can see the Import from Excel button. Click on that. In this form, you need to choose the file to import. Single journal entry. You can use a data template. This data template provides the mapping for the journal entry and import. The individual lines for the journal entry have been imported directly into the journal entry, and you can add that journal through. Scenario 2 is for multiple journal entries. Go to Modules, Administration, Data Import, Import from Excel. Here, choose the data type to import, journal entry, the file to import, multiple journal entries, and the data template, journal entry, import. The journals have now been entered. Scenario 3, batches and serial numbers. Open the goods receipt PO, modules, purchasing, goods receipt PO. And choose an item. Quantity of 3. Add. We're now provided a form to input the serial numbers of these 3 printers. You can also import from Excel. The file to import serials and the data template, serial, import, and the serial numbers have been imported. And we can go ahead and update this transaction. And on reviewing the goods receipt PO just posted, right-click on the quantity, click on the serial number transactions report, and there you go. Scenario 4, opening balances. To go to the opening balances screen, click on Modules, Administration, system initialization, opening balances. Let's have a look at the GL account opening balances. We will mark assets only here to reduce the scope of the upload. We'll put the opening balance to the following account. And now we can import from Excel. The file to import is GL opening balances. The data template to use, GL opening balances, import. And it has brought in the opening balances for the different accounts. And we can go ahead and add this through. Thank you for watching this short clip on import from Excel feature in SAP Business One version 9.3.